everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today for you we are going to be doing a unboxing, and this is the Latest in Beauty unboxing. So Latest in Beauty is a beauty subscription service where you can choose either 3, 6 or 9 products, and you can change the price and change how many you have every month, as long as you do it in advance. I this month have chosen 3, so we're going to unbox it and see what products I managed to find on the website. So on the website every month they change the products that are available to you. You actually get to select in this subscription box what products you have, so therefore you never end up with the product that you don't want. It does take a little bit of the fun out of it, but actually it's a really nice way to try new things and to make sure that you're getting value for money out of your subscription box. Okay, so we're just going to open the box this month and see what we have inside. So every month it comes with pink tissue on the top, and here we go, this is what it looks like. Oh, there's a little card on top. It says, "I like big brows and I cannot lie." Well, yes, that is true. I do have big brows. I've also got 20% off Sports FX. If you are into that brand, I will give you the code. And oh, I've got a little sweet treat. Organic chickpea hippies, salt and vinegar vibes, high in fibre and a source of protein. I love it when they put a little treat in there and you get to try something you've never tried before. And sometimes they put like pop chips in there, but they're always like a nice healthy snack, so I really like that. Okay, so for the month of August, I managed to pick up 3 things, and these are the 3 things that I picked up. So the first one is some blending sponges. So these are by Eco Tools, and you can pick them up in like Boots and Superdrug, and they're usually about £6 or £7 for the 2. But yeah, I've never tried them, and I saw them on there and I wanted to try them and give them a go. I know that Lucy Patface, she really raves these and says that they are fantastic, so I'm really interested to see whether they're good or not. Equally, I thought I was going on a bit of a theme this month, because I have been reviewing some beauty blenders recently. And when I saw there was quite a few beauty blenders on here, I thought, oh, it could be quite fun to try a few others. So I got this one as well. So this comes in a very cute little package. Look at this one here. So this is by Sports FX, and it's called the Blend and Go Makeup Blending Sponge. So I haven't seen this one before. I don't know exactly how much it's worth. I love the packaging it comes in. So there's an angled tip for precise coverage around the nose and eyes. I really like the shape of it actually. Flat side to apply makeup to target large areas of your face. Oh, $4.99. So if you think the 2 blending sponges come to more than the value of the box, so that's quite good. Let's have a little feel. Ooh, it feels weird. It's almost like rubber. Oh, okay, that is very interesting. So I'm going to be doing reviews on these beauty blenders just because I've done a beauty blender review this month already. So yeah, well, we'll try that one out. I now can't get it back in the box. The next product I got was a dry shampoo. Now in the summer, in the evenings, I am very lazy. This is also really handy if you go camping or anything like that. And this is the Collab Dry Shampoo Tropical Fragrance with amazing absorption without the white residue. Now I've actually been using another Collab dry shampoo recently, which I've really been enjoying. Let me go and see if I can find that one. Here we go. So this is the one that I've been using recently. This is the Collab dry shampoo with the unicorn fragrance, and this one has tropical fragrance. Now I really like the smell of this one, so I'm really intrigued to see if I'm going to like this one as much. Let's have a little. Ooh. Oh yes, that's nice. Very tropical, kind of like mango and lemon. Nice. It's an award-winning dry shampoo created by a team of beauty insiders, including the international blogger Ruth Creeley. Spray the amazing quick formula, rub it into roots and absorb oil with not white residue. Yeah, so that's one thing I would say. This one was really handy for like using when I'm like about to go to work or anything and I forgot to wash my hair, because it didn't like leave any like residue on my white clothes. So yeah, I've really enjoyed using it and I was really pleased to get another one. Okay, so just to recap, the 3 products that I got this month, it was the dry shampoo and the 3 different beauty blenders for us to try and see whether they get on with me or not. Just because beauty blenders are very expensive products, you know. And I wanted to see which ones are good. So if you're interested in signing up to Latest in Beauty, I will link some of the details below. Don't forget to go and check out some of my other unboxing videos. I have quite a few because I get lots of subscription boxes. And yeah, go and check them out. See if you can find some other goodies that you like. Yeah, let me know your thoughts on this month's items that they've got on their website. They've got quite a lot of like Sanctuary Spa and things on there, which isn't really for me. I find it's a little bit old fuddy-duddy, so I'm quite happy with the products I got. Hopefully they won't bring out anything else in the month later on in this month that I really like. Fingers crossed. So guys, hope you're having a fantastic weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye bye.